Welcome to Model Lessons in Mathematics, Elementary Science and Technology, Social Studies, Creative Arts, Physical Education for lower primary grades, produced by Rwanda Education Board in collaboration with the World Bank.
Hello children, I hope you are all fine. Once again, my name is Teacher Peter, and we are going to learn mathematics. And do you know what? In the previous lesson, we're looking at kilograms as a standard unit for measuring mass. Now, when I talk about measuring, of course, we are talking about measuring weight to know the weight of objects. Even your weight, we can measure and know your kilograms or your weight. Can you remind me some of the things we use for measuring? Do you remember them? Some of them are here, some are not here. Good. We have balances of different types. Others use electricity and others don't use electricity. We have electronic balances. Others are double beam balances. For example, this one here is a double beam balance. Okay? Now, this one, today we shall be using this one. And what you see here, it's a stand. So that when you are measuring, your beam balance will be raised up. So when I put this one on top of that stand, you will see that our beam balance is raised up. So you can measure. But how can we know what we are going to measure and its mass? Of course, we shall use stones of different measurements. We have a stone of 1 kilogram. This is a stone of 1 kilogram. And we also have other stones, like it is too heavy, a stone of 2 kilograms. Then we also have a big one. This is a stone of 5 kilograms. So when you are going to buy, or when you are going to sell, and you are going to measure, make sure you use the right stone to bring out the measurement you want. Okay? That's very good. Now, before we look at, or before we go very far, I want us to look at some of the measurements we have. Can you remind me, what are the things we can measure? Items which can be measured. Do you know them? Good. Wonderful. I have some of them are here. These are some of the items we normally measure in our daily lives when we go to the shop. Here, there is salt. When you go to the shop, you will buy salt, but in kilograms. Okay? Good. We also have rice. Here is rice. When you go to the shop, you will measure, or they will measure for you, rice, but in kilograms. Then we have maize flour. This is maize flour. We shall measure it in kilograms. We also have millet flour. For people who enjoy porridge, here are you. Now, this is millet flour. It is measured in kilograms. Then there is sugar. This is sugar. Sugar we measure in kilograms. And we also have beans. All of us, we enjoy beans, and we like beans so much. So this is beans we measure in kilograms. Now, before I leave this, if I pick sugar, this is sugar, and this is beans. Now, of the two items, which one is heavier? Yes? Can you tell me the one which is heavier? Good. It is sugar. Sugar is heavier than beans. Why do you think it is heavier? Correct. Because you can see these are 2 kilograms and this is just 1 kilogram. Now, let's compare another item. Let me pick rice and I pick salt. I pick salt. Here we are. Now, here we have rice and here we have salt. Which item do you think is heavier? Yes? Can you tell me? You are seeing it. Good. We have rice. Rice is heavier than salt. Why do you think rice is heavier than salt? Good. It's because rice in this envelope, there are 3 kilograms, and salt here, it is 2 kilograms. That's very good. You are so good, and you are good children. Remember, when you are going to buy, always remember to buy the right kilogram. Always watch when they are measuring. Are you there? Wonderful. Now, this is our double beam balance. When you are measuring, for example, I can say, let me use this stone of 1 kilogram, and I put it this side. When we put it here, what will happen? Automatically, this side will go down because the stone is heavy, and here there is nothing. So I will catch here. Let me get another thing. Let me get another item, and I put here. Now, when you put there, what do you see now? Automatically, you will see that our beam balance is not balancing. Why? Because this item is heavier. It means it is more than 1 kilogram. So, if you want to find the real amount of the item, it can be sugar, it can be flour, it can be anything, it can be bananas. You keep on reducing until when this beam balance, it balances. Let's remove this one, and we put another item. Let's put another item. This is here, there is salt, and I put here salt. When I put there salt, what do you think happens? Now, we look at this rod. What do you think has happened? Here, the rod is straight. It means here we have 1 kilogram, a stone of 1 kilogram, and the item here, which is salt, also is 1 kilogram. So when we are measuring, you make sure that your beam balance balances well so that you are not cheated, okay? Because if you don't know how they measure, you will be cheated. Now, today, we are going to look at subtraction of mass or subtraction of weight. For example, let's put our eyes on the blackboard here. Our examples here. Number 1, they are saying these are kilograms, 6 kilograms. Let me add here G to make it kilograms. I add here G to make it kilograms. 36 kilograms, take away 24 kilograms equals dash kilograms. We are going to arrange the kilograms by saying this is 36 kilograms. Then I will put here 24 kilograms. And do you know what happens? Always don't forget to use your ruler, okay? Because if you use your hand, your work will be dirty. And for sure, it will not be so nice. So we shall use our ruler here, and you underline. As the teacher underlines, you also use your foot ruler to underline. Let's subtract. When we subtract, now for me, I will put here kilograms because everything here is in kilograms, okay? Now, we shall have 6 take away 4. 6 take away 4. Do we know how to count? Good. If you don't know, you pick your 6 counters here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What are we going to subtract? Subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are we left with here, children? We have 2. Excellent. So we have 2. Let's go to the place value of tens. We have 3. Take away 2. Now, we shall have 1, 2, 3. That is 3. So we are going to subtract 2. So we have 1, 2. What are we remaining with? 1. Here, I will put here 1. How many kilograms do we have now? We have 12 kilograms. Is it okay? Wonderful. Let's look at example number 2. Example number 2. Number 2 says, this is 268 kilograms. Take away 46 kilograms equals dash kilograms. So we are going to subtract. We are going to subtract. Good. I like the way you are paying attention and sitting. Are you there? Wonderful. We are going to show the working. Let's show the working here. We shall say 268 kilograms. Take away 46 kilograms. Put here subtraction. Children, shall we use our heads to subtract counters? Yes, we can use counters, but very soon we are going to begin subtracting mentally, doing everything mentally, okay? But for now, don't forget your ruler, okay? We shall sing the ruler until when everybody will begin to use a ruler. So, underline. Underline. After underlining, we are going to count. 8, take away 6. 8, take away 6. We are going to subtract, okay? So let's count 8 counters. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take away 6. Can we count? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have counted 6. Put it down. Children, what do we have now? We have 1, 2. So our answer here will be 2. So you will come, put here 2. Come here also. 6, take away 4. Quickly, we are again going to count 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. Out of the 6, take away 4. We are subtracting 1, 2, 3, 4. What are we left with? We have only 2. So our answer again will be 2. Now, let's look at the next one. 2 take away 0. Automatically, it will be 2. Here, remember, we are subtracting kilograms. That means when we go up there, we shall say our answer is 222 kilograms. So that is all about subtraction. It is too simple, and this is exactly what we have been doing once and again. We have been subtracting these numbers, and of course, they are very simple. Okay? That is good. Now, I want you to try for me these numbers. Are you ready? Try for me these numbers. And we are going to try them. They are very simple. In pairs, we are going to calculate these numbers. So, let me put here group work. In pairs, group work. Please discuss. Discuss in pairs. Discuss in pairs. We have number 1. Here, subtract for me. We have 840 kilograms. Take away 280 237 kilograms. What shall we get? That is the first one. Then number 2, we have 684 kilograms. Take away 48 kilograms equals dash kilograms. Children, are we there? Wonderful. So, quickly discuss for me those numbers. Are you discussing? Are you there? Good. I love that. I see someone discussing, counting, arranging. That's wonderful. Now, are you done? Good, if you are done. If you are done, let's go through this. And what you know what we shall do? You will exchange your work and you mark for yourself as we are going through and making corrections. Okay? Now, let's look at the number. We are going to arrange our numbers. So, we shall say 840 kilograms. Take away 237 kilograms. Okay? Using our ruler, we shall put the lines here. Put the lines properly, and we are going to subtract. Now, let's begin from here. A 0 take away 7. What shall we get? Of course, this is 0, this is 7. It is impossible. We cannot subtract 7 from 0. It is impossible. What will I do? We shall quickly go and cancel and borrow. And when I borrow, I will cancel this one. You remain here with 3. And I bring here these 1 tens. Okay? When I bring 1 tens plus 0, it remains 10. So, we shall have 10 now. Take away 7. Quickly, we are going to subtract. But count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10. Take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can we count the balance here? 1, 2, 3. What is our answer? Our answer will be 3. So, we shall put here 3. Come here. 3, take away 3. I have 1, 2, 3. Now, take away 3. 1, 2, 3. What do I have here? Nothing. So, that is what? 0. When there is nothing, we put 0. We have 8, take away 2. Remember, we didn't put here a sign for take away. So let's put it there. So we have 8, take away 2. Count 8. We are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take away 2. 1, 2. I will put it down. Can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6. So we shall put here 6. And add here kilograms. What do we have? We have 603 kilograms. Are you there? So up here, we shall put 603 kilograms. Did you get this? Wonderful. You are so good. Now, come to number 2. Number 2, we are going still to arrange. Can we arrange? Okay. Which number shall we put up? We shall say this is 684 kilograms. Here, 48 kilograms. Take away. We are going to subtract, but before we subtract, remember, we have not put the lines. So we shall put here our lines. We shall put here our lines. Now, show you are working. We are going to show the working. So we shall say that here we have kilograms. Here we have 4, take away 8. Now 4 take away, 4 is too small and 8 is too big. We cannot subtract for sure. We shall go and borrow, okay? And when we borrow, we shall cancel this one. We get here 7. We bring 1 tens from here to make this one 14. Okay? Now 14. Subtract 8. We are going to count 14. Quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. So take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put it down. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our answer here will be 6. Our answer will be 6. Good. I love the way you are following. Wonderful. Good children. Okay? Now, we have 7 take away 4. Now, 7 take away 4. Again, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7. And you know what? Take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are we remaining with? We have 1, 2, 3. So we shall have here 3. And 6, we shall have here 6. What will be our answer? Our answer will be 636 kilograms. Beautiful children. I love the way you are doing the work, the way you are attentive. You are so beautiful. Can you give yourselves flowers? Shh, wow. Good children, good teacher. Good children, good teacher. Shake, shake the mango tree. Everybody, we are going to say it. Shake, shake the mango tree. Mango yellow, mango green. One for you and one for me. Shake, shake the mango tree. Again. Shake, shake the mango tree. Mango yellow, mango green. One for you and one for me. Shake, shake the mango tree. Are you ready for an exercise? Good. Sit properly now. Pick your book and we do this work. This is number 1. This is now our exercise. Our exercise here, our exercise number 1 says 98 kilograms take away 64 kilograms. We shall get dash kilograms. Then number 2, 150 kilograms take away 36 kilograms equals dash kilograms. Number 3, we have 390 kilograms take away 140 kilograms equals dash kilograms. Beautiful. Are we there, all of us? The numbers are very simple. Just simply arrange your numbers. Simply arrange your numbers very well. After arranging, use your counters, please, and count properly. Let me put this one back in our tin for another lesson. Okay? I see. Good. Have you finished number 1? Wonderful. That's so good. I love the way you are doing the work. These numbers are very simple. They are too simple. Just arrange, count, subtract. It is too simple. Wonderful. And if you finish this work, we shall also look at our homework for today before we go home. We shall first write homework in our homework books or behind your book so that when you reach home, you will do for me that homework. Are you there? Wonderful. Are you still writing? I see the last person is almost finishing. And when you finish, we are going to do the homework. Are you there? Let's write homework. Let's go for homework now. So, get your book, get your pencil, and we do homework. Let's do homework. This is our homework. We shall do it from home. We shall do it from home. And when you reach home, make sure you underline properly. Number 1, in our homework, we shall have 10 kilograms, take away 6 kilograms equals dash kilograms. Then number 2, we shall have 84 kilograms, take away 26 kilograms equals dash kilograms. Then number 3, we shall have 187 kilograms, take away 37 kilograms equals dash kilograms. The last number in homework will be 584 kilograms, take away 156 kilograms equals dash kilograms. Are you there, children? That is so good. Yeah? This is our homework. When you reach home, make sure you use a ruler to underline, and make sure you use your pencil. If you get a mistake, please don't scribble in the book. If you do a mistake, get your rubber, and you do what? And you rub, then you write a correct thing. So this is our homework for today. When you reach home, do it very well. Tomorrow, when you come, the first thing you do is to hand in your homework, okay? We mark before we take another homework home. Are you there? That is so beautiful. Are you writing? Who has reached on number 3? Good. You are so good. Anybody who is reaching on number 4? Okay. You can try to hurry up. Try to hurry up. Try to hurry up because our time is moving. And the time, remember, we have to respect time for another subject. That is so good. Okay. That is so good. Who is finishing? Are you about to finish? That is so good. Okay. Okay. That is beautiful. Wow. Now, I see that most of us, we are almost about to finish. We are about to finish. I see the last person. The last person is almost finishing. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Underline with a ruler, a pencil, and a rubber. So here we are. Okay? So, children, that is our homework for today. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye. We meet again.